Okay, this is your chance to see a short video of me helping the Habitat for Humanity build the first 3D printed home in Arizona. Stay tuned and you'll see how 3D printing with concrete works, photos of the 3D printed house that's now in Tempe, and a short interview with the owners of this home. Here's a picture of me and my friend and fellow realtor Craig Peck having some fun on the job site before the work began. The house only has one living level, and that's all 3D extruded concrete, but the attic and the roof are framed wood.
Marcus and Sean, we are the homeowners.
And when do we think we're going to get done with this?
December 31st, we're hoping.
All right.
So a New Year's move-in.
And I'm hoping they invite me back when they're done so we can see what it looks like.
Absolutely.
For sure.
Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any outstanding questions, you can leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. If you liked it, you can do me a favor by putting in the comments what it was that you liked most. Have a great day.